Hi students, now we are in the fourth unit. So see these images. What do you infer from these images? Tablets. It's used to cure diseases. Yes, it is otherwise called as drugs. So at the end of this lecture, you will be able to acquire knowledge on drugs and its significance, types of drugs, and what are the purpose or what are the uses of drugs. So this is the content in the fourth unit. So coming to our topic, what is a drug? It is a medicine or other substances which has a physiological effect when indigested or otherwise introduced into the body. Drug is important to prevent diseases and disorder, and it can give therapeutic activity. So it has to have some ideal characteristics. So these are some of the characteristics of a drug. It is non-toxic, non-reactive, it is physics-chemically stable, it is metabolically stable, it is chemically inert, it can free from microbial contaminations, it can give both rapid as well as sustained activity, it was easily available, and it is inexpensive. So these are some of the types of drugs: anti-hemorrhoid drug, antibiotics, cough suppressants, anti-acne drugs, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, antiseptics, analgesics, salicylate drugs, antacids, antifungal drugs, and antihistamines. So now we will discuss one by one in detail. Anti-hemorrhoid drugs. They are medicines that reduce the swelling and relieve the discomfort of hemorrhoids. These drugs are available as creams and ointments. Next is topical antibiotics. They are the medicines applied to the skin to kill bacteria. It helps in preventing infections caused by bacteria that get into your minor cuts, scrapes, and burns. Treating minor wounds with these drugs allows quicker healings. The next type is cough suppressants. They are the medicines that prevent or stop coughing. It acts on the center in the brain that controls and relaxes cough. They are meant to be used only to relieve dry, hacking cough associated with cold and flu. The next type is anti-acne drugs. They are the medicines that help and clear up pimples, blackheads, whiteheads, and more severe forms of acne. Different types of these drugs are used for different purposes. For example, lotions, soaps, gels, and creams containing benzoyl peroxide may be used to clear up mild to moderately severe acne. The next type is antiseptics. They are the medicines that slow or stop the growth of germs and help to prevent infections in minor cuts, scrapes, and burns. Antiseptics are applied to the skin to keep bacteria from getting into the wounds and causing infections. The next type comes salicylates. They are the medicines that relieve pain and reduce fever. Aspirin belongs to group include sodium salicylate, chlorine salicylate, and magnesium salicylate. It is used to relieve many kinds of minor aches and pains, headaches, toothaches, muscle pain, menstrual cramps, joint pain, etc. Aspirin is also known as acetyl salicylic acid. The next type comes antacids. They are the medicines that neutralize stomach acid. They are used to relieve acid indigestion, upset stomach, sore stomach, and heartburns. Some antacid products also contain the ingredient simethicone to relieve gas. Antacids are taken by mouth and work by neutralizing excess stomach acid. The next type is antifungal drugs. Antifungal drugs are used to treat fungal infections. People with compromised immune systems such as AIDS and cancer patients may be susceptible to fungal infection than others. The next type is antihistamines. They are the drugs that blocks the action of histamine compound. They will also reduce histamine-induced secretions, including excessive tears and salivation. Analgesics. They are the medicines used to relieve pain. Analgesics are prescribed to relieve pain of all sorts of headaches, backaches, joint pain, sore muscles, and pain that results from surgery, injury, or illness. Among the most common analgesics are aspirin, chlorine salicylate, magnesium salicylate, and sodium salicylate. So at the end of this lecture, I think you will be able to acquire knowledge on drugs and its significance. Thank you.